Allegedly used to pay for vacations and expensive dinners for two people, the current and former Clark County Council members, John Miller and Brittney Ferree. Isaiah Kim Martinez and senior photojournalist Alyssa Newton were in their initial hearings. Isaiah?
Well, Doug, this is really interesting to see. We have John Miller and Brittney Ferree, who should both be out of jail custody by night's end, if not already. This is a situation where they are now 2 of 5 people total named and charged in this investigation. But the big question, big picture, is how Jamey Noel's guilty plea moving forward affects their cases.
It doesn't affect it at all. There's no question, or seemed to be no question, that Jamey Noel committed a lot of wrongdoing.
All right.
There isn't any evidence my client has.
2 more criminal defendants in the Jamey Noel case appearing together in front of a packed courtroom.
Remember what I told Mr. Noel?
Yes, sir.
Repeat it for me.
Don't try to deceive you. I will not like the consequences.
Judge Larry Medlock, known for his no-nonsense delivery, cautioning John Miller not to play with the terms of his bond.
Do not do anything stupid. Do not try to deceive me. Do not try to defy me.
Wearing an orange jumpsuit, Miller, a Clarksville police officer and Clark County councilman, appeared attentive throughout the hearing.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sitting a few seats down from Miller was Brittney Ferree, a former Clark County councilwoman who shares a child with former Sheriff Jamey Noel. Ferree escorted through the court hallway after posting bond shortly after noon. Prosecutors claim she evaded police Friday after they issued the arrest warrant. Investigators say she wasn't at her home or workplace. An hours-long search ending when she turned herself into the sheriff's office in the evening. Her attorney, Eric Weitzel. How's she feeling right now?
A little overwhelmed, a little shaken, ready to kind of get this thing moving so they can get it put it behind her.
Both Ferree and Miller are charged with official misconduct, allegedly failing to disclose a conflict of interest when they used their official positions to fund New Chapel EMS, which Noel used to run. Prosecutors claim some of that money went right back into the pockets of the defendants in the form of concert tickets, travel, and child support.
There seems to be allegations that he made payments to her for various things. There's no indication that she knew where that money was coming from.
Here's Miller's attorney, Bart Pateau. Does your client feel any regrets just given his public position on taxpayer dollars?
I think there's no question that things might have been done differently with the value of hindsight, but he knowingly committed no crime at any time.
An interesting point here. I actually asked Special Prosecutor Rick Hurdle after the hearing about Noel's guilty plea and how it affects both John Miller and Brittney Ferree's cases. He kind of told me, in other words, he said, job's not finished here. Now remember, both John Miller and Brittney Ferree are due back in court in October. Doug?